Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on creating a company record in ManuDyn Cloud 9. If this is the first time your system is being configured, a configuration wizard will be displayed and the top 5 items should be marked as completed if you have worked through the previous videos in the Getting Started series. The next item on the checklist is to create a company. To do so, click on this link, or if you don't see the wizard, go to the Database Entry menu group and click the Companies menu item. The Companies page is similar to other data entry screens in ManuDyn in that there is a blue toolbar at the top of the content area where we can enter the record that we wish to work with. In the field located in the blue toolbar, we need to enter the company code that we want to create or modify. I will create a company called CUSDES, then push the Tab key to move into the Profile tab. The system is loaded in the profile for the entered company code. If we have entered a new record, the Profile tab will be blank. I will start by entering the name for this company. Note, I could have used this name as the company code, but I prefer to use a short code so that I can prefix any items for this customer with their company code. For more information on coding systems, see the video titled Creating a Company Coding System in ManuDyn. Next, I will identify the type of company record as a customer. That way it won't appear when I'm looking through a list of vendors. We can optionally fill out the website, phone, and fax fields. Any comments can be stored here, and you can also upload files to attach to this company record. The contacts grid displays all the contacts stored against this company. To edit or view a contact, click on the corresponding row in the grid. To enter a new contact, click on the empty row at the bottom of the grid. Once we have clicked on the row, the Contact Details dialog appears, and we can view, enter, delete, or move the contact record. I will enter just a contact name at this point and click the OK button. There is no limit to the number of contact records you can create. After entering our contacts, we will click the Address tab. The address grid displays all the addresses stored against this company. To edit or view an address, click on the corresponding row in the grid. To enter a new address, click on the empty row at the bottom of the grid. Once we have clicked on the row, the Address Details dialog appears. First, we need to set the type of address record. In my example, I will set it as a delivery and invoice address, and then enter the particular details of the address. At the bottom of the dialog, we can set the tax group ID that applies to this address. When finished, click the OK button to return these details to the address grid. There is no limit to the number of address records you can create. After entering our addresses, we will click the Accounts tab. The accounting information can be optionally set on this screen. Most importantly, you can set the currency for the company on this screen. The currency setting for the company triggers the foreign currency options within the system. Where the currency setting is different to the default currency, the foreign currency setting is automatically activated, and this affects the screen display wherever this customer is used. We can skip the Other tab for now, as it just provides some miscellaneous and user-defined fields, and instead click on the Notes tab. The Notes grid displays all the notes stored against this company. To edit or view a note, click on the corresponding row in the grid. To enter a new note, click on the empty row at the bottom of the grid. Once we have clicked on a row, the Note Details dialog appears. Here we can type in a note and optionally have it display as an alert dialog whenever this company is selected throughout the system, or have it print on any advices such as a quote, order, or invoice. Click the OK button to return these details to the note grid. The last tab to examine is the Attachments tab. This tab operates in a similar way to the notes. Click on the grid to create a new attachment. The attachment can be virtually any file, such as a drawing, a Word document, or a picture. All you have to do is choose the file you wish to attach to this company. I have now finished entering my company notes. My information was saved the last time that I changed tabs, but if I needed to save, I could use the Save icon or the OK button to save and close, but I will use the Close button to close this record. If you need to enter additional companies, you can do so now by typing in a new company code. Once you are finished, you can return to the home page by clicking the Home icon in the top left of the screen, or by clicking on the Exit button in the toolbar. In the next video tutorial, we will create an item record in the system. Click on the link to start the next video.